Let's unlock the secrets to crafting progressive house that truly touches the soul. Our journey begins with the heart of emotion. The chord progression will start with simple, melancholic roots, perhaps CAD 9 to sus4. Then progressively add richer voicings and inversions like CAD 9 to sus to tf mod 7. Think of minor keys lifted by major chords or passing diminished chords to create that bittersweet, yearning quality. Next, melody. For this genre, we lean towards arpeggios and singable, but not overly complex, lead lines. We'll build our melody using notes that complement the underlying chords, often staying within the pentatonic scale or using modal interchange. Imagine a simple, repeating motif that gradually evolves, gaining subtle ornamentation and rhythmic variation to mirror the emotional arc. Atmosphere is paramount. We'll craft our soundscapes with spacious, evolving pads, using plenty of reverb and delay to create depth. Think about layering analog-sounding synths with subtle detuning to add warmth and character. We'll also introduce airy vocal chops or plucked string sounds, treated with granular synthesis for a shimmering, introspective feel, ensuring each element breathes and interacts to create a sense of vastness and introspection. Finally, we weave these elements together. Begin with your chord progression and a foundational bassline. Introduce the atmospheric paths to set the emotional tone. Then layer in your arpeggios and leads, letting them breathe and evolve throughout the track. We'll arrange this with dynamic build-ups and breakdowns, ensuring the energy ebbs and flows, allowing the listener to connect with the music on a profound emotional level, building towards a cathartic, uplifting release.